A file is a common form used to present a series of meaningful bytes. A file is a logical storage unit, as opposed to the physical storage on a hard disk. As we can see in the diagram on the right, a hard disk is composed of many platters. On each platter, we distinguish the circular tracks. On these tracks, we further divide into small sectors. These are the physical storage units. Two main types of files are mentioned in here: data and program. Data files are the files that store data, which may be used by programs, but they do not contain instructions or code to be executed by the computer processor. Data files can be created by users or programs and can contain anything from text, images, videos, database records, to configuration settings. Program files are files containing code and are designed to be executed by the CPU. They are written in programming languages and are compiled into a format that the computer can run directly as instructions. The content of a file is defined by the file creator, which can be either a person or a software application. When a person creates a file, they can input whatever data they choose, be it text in a document, numbers in a spreadsheet, or code in a programming file. Similarly, when software applications create files, they determine the content based on the operations they are programmed to perform. For instance, a photography application may save an image file with the content being the visual data captured and processed by the app. In our computers, the storage of files is placed on physical hard disks. For ease of operation, we assign many attributes to describe the file. The file name is a name given by the user, which makes it easier for us to identify the file. The ID is non-human readable. It is usually a unique tag or number used by the file system. Type indicates the file's format and is necessary for systems that support different file types. Location indicates a pointer to the file's location on the device, which enables the system to locate and access the file's data. Size denotes the current size of the file, typically measured in bytes. Protection is a controls the permissions associated with the file, determine who can read, write, or execute the file. Time, date, and user identification includes timestamp for when the file was created, last modified, and last accessed, as well as the user information for ownership and access control. This data is used for protection, security, and monitoring how the file is used.